Good evening, viewers. Today, once again, we all are present for a new session to know what are the informal words or the slang words we will be using. And I'm going to provide you few more. In the last session, I have already shared few more, and today, few more I'm going to share with all of you so you can use it while you are going to communicate your near and dear one. So, without wasting our time, so let commence the session. So, number one, guard up your loins. Gard up your loins. So, what is the meaning of this? Very simple meaning. Prepare for action. So, what is number two? It's a miscue. It's a miscue. The simple meaning of the sentence is it's an error. Or if you want to say, you may say it's a mistake. That means it's an error or it's a mistake. Number three, he is a dark. And you feel that is a bit different, but don't worry, I will help you with the meaning of the word. The simple meaning is he is a hateful person. All right. So now, three words you have come to know, and there are many more new words today we are coming to know. So, still, many more today we will come to know. Number four, it's really a slap up meal. MEAL. The simple meaning is it's really an an excellent meal. Number five, the boy is a funk stick. FUNK. I'm sorry. FUNKSTICK. Funk stick. The meaning is very simple. The boy is courageous. A coward. So we have come to know already up to number five. There are many more words today we have already come to know. As you have already come to know the coward, so I think that it is a knocking back of your mind. If it will be courageous, so what can be the word? So please note it down. The girl is spunky. SPUNKY. The meaning is the girl is courageous. Number 7. Something I have written, but I haven't said what is the word. TOOTSIE hyphen WOOTSIE of the word pronunciation will be Tutsi Utsi. Tutsi Utsi, I love you. I think that many of you have already understood what can be the sentences. The simple meaning of the sentence is sweetheart, sweetheart, I love you. Now, those who are in a relation, those who are feeling, they have to propose their fiance so they can use it. So, the word which I have already said, there I made grammatical error. I would like to rectify. Propose to their near and dear one or their fiance. So now number 8. Number 8 is going to be I have enough dough. All right. The meaning of the sentence is I have enough money. So now see, almost we have completed. Two more words are there, the words which you are coming to know in this session. So the simple meaning of the word is going to be she is too sophomoric. What can be the meaning of the word or rather in a sentence? The simple meaning is she is too immature. The simple meaning. So we have already come to know she is too sophomoric. All right. So the meaning is she is too immature. And the last one, you are an odd bod. The simple meaning is you are an strange. So you are an odd bod. The meaning is you are a strange fellow. I would like to. I think that there is a bit problematic for my viewers. So I'd like to repeat the spelling: STRANGEFELLOW. So now, to make it more easy for all of the viewers, I would like to underline the words. So which one will be quite easy for all of us to remember. So these are the new words. So I hope that you all are going to enjoy this session and you will be memorizing, and the days to come you will be using your near and dear one, and you will be enjoying the session called English speaking with each and every one. So this is the session. Before going to sign it off, I would like to request the viewers. Till now, those who haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe the channel and leave a bell icon symbol. And there is an option rather. You can press the bell icon. So thank you, and that's all for the session now. So now, my friends, let me bid you bye.